So hi my dear students, this is Learning with Ganesh. So today we will see grammar portion, English grammar. It's common for all, right from the primary classes to the higher classes. Generally what we face difficulties while talking, while using, while writing letters and all, that what we will discuss, sentence. The main important part of the grammar. Any grammar book, the first lesson is sentence. So today we'll just discuss sentence. What is sentence? What is sentences? No, we'll just sentence. Okay, what is sentence? You see words. If I'll give many words, suppose boy is, he, a. So these are the words. Words. Sentence means a group of words. A group of words which have some sense in it. Sense. Sense means what does you mean that boy is, he, a. Is there any sense? Yes, they are group of words. Though this is a sentence, but this sentence is not in an order where we are not getting the clear picture what it tells us. We are not getting a clear picture. If I arrange that he is a boy. Now here we are getting the correct information that yes, he is a boy. So sentence is a group of words which have common sense. So here there is no sense, but here is a sense because clearly it is giving us picture, it is giving us everything information that he is a boy. So this is what sentence. Now we'll just see how many types of sentences are there. 5 types of sentences are there. 5 different types of sentences are there. So how to remember these 5 sentences? 5 sentences are assertive. Assertive means a statement. Just I am writing. 1 assertive, A-S-S-E-R-T-I-V-E. Another one is interrogative, I-N-T-E, interrogative. Then third, imperative, I-M-P-A-R-A, imperative. Then fourth one, optative, and fifth one is exclamation, exclamatory. These 5 types of sentences are there. How to remember these 5 types of sentences? If you write vowels, what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. You just take out U, and remaining with this we have started A for assertive, I for interrogative. 2 types of I is there, or you can make this also I means 2 times, interrogative, imperative. O means optative, E means exclamatory. If you are getting bit confused with this, you can write one more to remember this. These are some small techniques by which we can put everything in our brain. It's better you put all in one. So here A stands for assertive. 2 times I. All the times you have to say 2 times. 1 interrogative, 1 imperative. O means optative, and last word E means exclamatory. All starts with vowels, isn't it? Only U is left. Now these 5 types of sentences we see in our day-to-day life. Now what is assertive? Assertive. 80% of our English is assertive sentences. Assertive means simple statement. He is a boy. He writes a letter. Anything, any statement. We'll discuss later this again, but here I am just giving you with one example. He writes a letter. He writes a letter. I write a letter. In my previous class, I have told you where I have to use write and where I have to use writes. V1 and V5. These both forms are there. Interrogative means anything if it is questioned. If it is question mark, if a sentence ends with question mark, it's a interrogative. Is he going to school? Is he क्या हुआ going to school? See question mark. And this statement, and this is question mark. What is imperative? What is imperative? Imperative means any command, any request. Open the door. Open the door. I'm commanding, I'm saying. So that commanding things we can say commands or requests. For example, open the door. Okay. Now optative. Optative का मतलब होता है any desire, any prayer. May you live long. Okay. May God bless you. So may you be happy. In the Ren and Martin book is written there. May you be happy. Any one we can say that desire or what you call prayers, ये सब आते हैं इसमें. ठीक है. कमांड्स एंड रिक्वेस्ट इसमें, क्वेश्चन मार्क्स इसमें, स्टेटमेंट इसमें. जैसे आई राइट ए लेटर. आई एम सेइंग I write a letter. 80% are of assertive sentences. Interrogative, is he going to school? Question mark. So anything which ends with question mark is interrogative, and imperative means any commands, any requests, that is interrogative. And optative मतलब कोई desire, कोई इच्छा, prayer, may you be happy. And exclamation means you see, see, we just utter some word. If I got hurt, immediately we say, oh God, isn't it? Hurrah, we have won the match. If suddenly we hear any good news, a word automatically comes in from our mouth. Hurrah, HURRAW, hurrah, yeah, hurrah, exclamation. We have won the match. हमने मैच जीत लिया. Okay, so this is in all sentences. Sentences are of, again I am telling you, 5 types of sentences are there: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamatory. Now we will just little bit elaborate some assertive sentence statements where I am rubbing this. If you want to copy it down, please pause the video and copy it. So we will just proceed to these statements. See your statements. There are 2 types of statements. One positive statement and one negative statement. One positive statement, one negative statement. जैसे for example, he writes a letter. And I write a letter. What is the negative form? He is doing well. He is doing well. This is a positive statement. What will be the negative statement? जो हमारा helping verb है उसके आगे not लगाना. He is not doing well. He is not doing well. Cannot, will not. So उसके helping verbs के आगे not लगाना ही है. But यहाँ पे कोई helping verb नहीं है. Direct verb है write. But this is V1. हमारे पास verbs 5 प्रकार के होते हैं. V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Write, wrote, written, इधर का writing, एंड V5 होता है राइट्स। जब हमारे पास हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स नहीं होते तब हम यहाँ पे एक एडिशनल वर्ड लगाते हैं। इसके लिए होता है तो डू, इसके लिए डिड और इसके लिए डज। ठीक है, पास्ट टेंस है तो डिड और हमारा प्रेजेंट टेंस में तो डू। सो आई राइट ए लेटर इज ए प्रेजेंट टेंस, सो हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज डू। सो आई डू नॉट राइट ए लेटर, डू नॉट। बट राइट्स हमारा V5 का है तो यहाँ पे डू नॉट नहीं लगाएंगे, डज लगाएंगे। ही डज नॉट राइट्स ए लेटर, isn't it? So this is simple basics, where to use do, where to use does, and these are the simple way for doing negative statements. So statements can be positive, statements can be negative. Simply you put a negative word not. Okay, so we will meet you in the coming video with new topic, with the next what is required after this sentence. We will see then. Till then you practice it, make your English strong. Bye.